Welcome back, guys. Today's video is on highest common factors. We'll begin by understanding the meaning of highest common factors, HCF, and then we'll go ahead to find the highest common factors of two or more numbers. Let's get right into it. The highest common factor, HCF, also known as the greatest common divisor, GCD, is the largest number that divides two or more numbers without a remainder. HCF can also be defined as the largest number that is a factor of two or more numbers. Now look at the numbers on our screen, 16 and 28, with their factors listed out. Now we already have videos on how to find factors of whole numbers and also how to find common factors of whole numbers. Do well to check it out if that's something you are yet to be familiar with. But if you're already familiar with factors and common factors, then highest common factors will not be too difficult for you to grasp. It just simply means that when you find the list of common factors, the highest one, the biggest one, the greatest one will be the HCF. So for 16 and 28, whose factors are already listed here, let's begin by identifying the common factors between 16 and 28. So you can see that 1, of course, 1 is a factor of every number, so 1 is a common factor of both of them. 2 is also common. 4 is common as well. And that's all the common factors I'll have between 16 and 28. So we can note that out and say common factors are of 16 and 28, if you like, 1, 2, and 4. And now their HCF of 16 and 28 will be equals to. So when you look at your list of common factors, the largest number, the biggest number, the greatest number, usually the last one, if you list your common factors correctly, will be the HCF. So in this case, the common factors are 1, 2, and 4, and the highest common factor HCF will be 4. So using this method, which we are calling listing the factor method, that's how to find HCF of two or more numbers. We'll go ahead and look at some more examples of HCF. So we have this one, find HCF of the following numbers, 14 and 42. And we begin by listing the factors of 14 and the factors of 42, and then we find their common factors and also the highest common factors. Please note that the term highest common factor is used interchangeably with greatest common divisor, but they mean the same thing. So the factors of 14 will be 1, 2, 7, and 14. The factors of 42 will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42 itself. Remember that 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. So having listed the factors of both numbers, let's go ahead and highlight the common factors between them. You have 1 as a common factor. You also have 2 as a common factor of both. And you have 7. And finally, we have 14 as the common factors between the two numbers. And you can already see that the highest common factor will be 14. You don't necessarily have to state the common factors before you identify the highest common factor. But I just like to do the list of common factors before I select my highest common factor just for clarity's sake. So I'm going to say that common factors of 14 and 42 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. So therefore, the HCF of 14 and 42 will be equals to 14. So that's it for this example. And we'll take one last example on highest common factor. This one is find the HCF of 18, 27, and 36. We have three numbers in this instance, but like I always say, the process is exactly the same. So we're going to list factors of 18, we'll list factors of 27, and we'll also list factors of 36. So factors of 18 will have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. For factors of 27, we'll have 1, 3, 9, and 27. And for factors of 36, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So let's identify the common factors between these three numbers. And when you are dealing with more than two numbers, you pay close attention and make sure that you select factor that is common to all three of them and not just two. For example, you can see that 2 is a factor of 18 and 2 is a factor of 36. But 2 is not a factor of 27, so we're not going to be picking that as a common factor. So let's go ahead. We have 1, 1, 1. We have 3, 3, and 3 again. And then we'll have 9, 9, and 9. And then we can say the common factors are 1, 3, and 9. This means that the HCF, highest common factor of 18, 27, and 36 will be equals to 9. So that's it on how to find the HCF, highest common factor, using listing the factors method. If you enjoyed this lesson, please do well to check out our other videos on highest common factor using different methods. As always, I have classwork here for you to do. Feel free to try, and you can submit your work to mathswithmrsspace@gmail.com. I'll be happy to look over the classwork you have done and send you feedback where necessary. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do it to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you will know when we upload a new video. Thank you.